I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. This video is for you if your sun, moon, rising, or Venus are in any of any of these are in the sign of Aries. Okay, and I'm going to cover the period from 20th September till 6th of October. This is the period which is also called Mahalay or Pitra Paksh. So we are trying to understand in this video for your sign that what is the divine wanting us to do, or your spirit guides or your ancestors want you to do. Why things are not moving in your life, and what are the influences, or what shall you be doing, what should you be doing during these 15, 16 days of Pitra Paksh, so that things can be corrected. Okay, so let's see. This is energy reading, so I just don't know which of these answers will be, like, questions will be answered. So let's have that open mind and really connect to the divine through these cards and find out what should be done in our respective situations. So this video, I repeat again, is for you if your sun, moon, rising, or Venus are in any, any of these are in the sign of Aries. Um, and I'm going to use this a spread which is called horseshoe spread. It's a new spread, one of the tarot spreads itself, but very rarely used. It has 7 cards, and I'll be pulling 2 oracle cards also at the end to uh, to get some additional advice or warnings or recommendations, something of that sort. So let's begin. The very first card will be the very first card is your present situation, the hidden influence to your present situation or challenge. Now, this card is the reason basically behind whatever is going on. So, basically, the past of all this, okay, because of which your challenge of the present situation is like this, or the influence of the past, basically, you can say. Now, this card is what are your ancestors or divine or angels or spirit guides wanting to want you to do. Now, this is your external influence, as in the attitude of people you are connecting with. The actions you should be taking. And the final card is the outcome. Okay. I don't know if you are able to see all these cards. So we'll quickly open and start the reading. Okay. So the very first card was you at this present moment. Oh, it's sun. So you're shining your brightest. You are healing yourself. You want a fresh start, or probably you would have already started healing yourself, or moving in a fresh in a newer direction. Let's open all these cards and then we can have a full story. The hidden influence to this healing, okay, is somewhere down. Probably you're still holding on to something, or you have been holding something because of which things could not move forward, or you were losing hope, and then finally you decided to recreate your life, but there is still something that is hanging on. Let's see where is this, what has been the past for this, because of which this kind of a situation is coming. It's Ace of Swords. So probably you discovered a truth. Okay, there was some revelation that happened, a wise awakening, or some sort of awakening. Maybe a truth was revealed, or you could see through things, because sun is also a card of light, brightness. You start to see things clearly when sun is there. Okay, so your past has been of probably you were hanging on to something, or you were not able to let go of something, and then there was a revelation that happened and that showed you the clear picture of everything, and you thought, or at least you are wanting to start afresh. So let's see what divine and the ancestors want us to do. Page of Cups. So the divine wants you to heal yourself, to dream big, to um, to to learn to be able to handle your emotions, start afresh. Pages are always all about learning, curiosity, the youthfulness, the healing part, something to start with. So ace is also something that aces are also like, something to begin with, something comes up, right? Some sudden surge of swords basically is like truth, some revelation. Because aces are also beginning, pages are also beginning, sun is also beginning. So it's a beautiful thing. So probably the divine, the universe, your ancestors are also wanting this healing, and probably that is how this healing will start for you. So we are actually talking about the period from 20th of September till 6th of October. So these 16 days, there will be some probably this is your present moment because you are about to discover something, something about things that you have not been able to let go, and you would have a fresh start, and this is what the divine has been wanting from you. Okay. Coming on to the external influence, as in the people you are dealing with, what are their attitudes towards you, is Six of Pentacles. So they do see you as a balanced person. They expect generosity from you. They expect you to prioritize your life, and pay attention to what is actually important. So that's really wonderful. Maybe there can be few people who feel that you are not paying attention to one aspect of your life. So that also, in these 16 days time, you will find in the attitudes of people. There will be few people who will be happy with the generosity factor of yours, and that openness factor and the brightness factor of yours. There will be few people who would ask you to prioritize your life, and they would ask, where do I stand in your life? Okay. What is the action you have to take? Oh, Page of Swords. See, there are so many pages and sun. Aries, I feel it's time, it's divine timing for you to really become young at heart once again and bring out that creativity of yours. Because Page of Swords with Ace of Swords is all about finding out the truth, always seeking the truth. So Page of Sword is somebody who is actually a learner. He's somebody who is ready to decipher the truth, who is curious, who wants to learn new things, who is a detective, who is a spy, who is at defense, and is a fighter, is somebody who wants to get to the depth of the matter, to and so that nothing remains in darkness. Okay, this is what is Page of Swords all about. It is also being on internet and online to learn more things about whatever this matter has been. If it is career or relationship, whatever the matter has been, you are being asked to heal yourself. This is one of the advices that you're getting. Heal yourself, be a dreamer, heal yourself, be a dreamer, be curious, be young. And Page of Swords is all about learning, finding out the truth, always seeking the truth, always making an effort towards um, your creative aspect. Okay. And the last card is, what will be the outcome of all this? Okay, that's 10 of Swords. So that's a little challenging. So 10 of Swords is normally, you know, coming to the point wherein you realize that probably you are alone, probably the people you trusted were not worth it, and that is why so many new beginnings and truth revelation cards are here. It is 10 of Swords is like, 10 of Swords is the reason because of which you have been hanging and not been able to let go. Ten of Swords is also about, even if you have been deceived by people, even if people mock at you, or they gossip around you, or they are not with you, you have to hold on to yourself because you have hit the ground zero, and from here you have to rise up. Okay, and that is why you have to always seek truth. You have to be practical, you have to be curious. You cannot sit with the fact that everybody in the world can be trusted. No, Aries, you have to make sure that during these 16 days time, a big revelation in terms of truth will be there, and you will actually be able to see through who is with you and who is not. Okay, and you're being advised not to be so, be young at heart, but don't be immature. Okay, because you have to find out the truth and start this new journey. Okay, so I do sense somewhere around, I do sense deception, a lot of gossiping, communication back and forth happening, you getting confused, but you're being asked not to trust anyone else but your own self, your own creative potential. Okay, so yeah, that's wonderful. I think you have to be just alert because a lot of truth is coming into light, and um, the real picture of uh, people you're dealing with will be there, will be in front of you. Let's ask the unicorns. Um, One message from the unicorns with respect to this is freedom. So yeah, you'll be set free in this month, of in these 10, 15, 16 days. Let the unicorn set you free. So you seem to be, this hangman was also talking about being in a zone wherein you're not able to let go, right? I don't think you will be able to totally get healed during these 16 days, but at least your major portion, 90% of the healing will happen. Why? Because you would have seen the truth, and you if you follow the advice given by the cards here, um, and you're ready to learn maybe a new skill set, or anything, you're open to learning the truth, and you're really working hard on your own self to recover from the losses that has happened, or deception that has happened. You, even if you are hitting a ground zero, you will start afresh. Okay, so freedom is what you should really seek. Truth is what you should really seek, because the divine at this point of time is really helping you out. Let's see what Keepers of Light Oracle has for you. One message from this deck. Lady Portia, Divine Order. So yeah, do what you feel is right. An important lesson is unfolding. I just said that, and the truth will be revealed to you. Okay, and Lady Portia's message is the divine order will prevail. Important lesson is unfolding. You will be able to decode a truth and a lesson, this lesson that not everybody can be trusted, and do not get confused between different communications happening and different sort of expectations that the people have with you. Do not give in to that, rather only seek truth and seek freedom. Okay, do what you feel is right. So at this point of time, the divine is trying to speak through your intuition. So if you seek truth and if you seek freedom, you will be able to change the course of your life and bring it back on divine path. So I really appreciate the way this has come, the whole message is coming out. I hope you like this video. Do share it with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment section how these 16 days treat you. And I'll see you in the next video. Please take care of yourself. Subscribe if you have yet not subscribed. Please take care. Bye.